Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin Shikha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take English class for the students of nursery on the topic of fill in the blanks, part 1. I am repeating, our today's topic is fill in the blanks, part 1. Students, this is our 7th lecture and 6th SW. I am repeating, this is our 7th lecture and 6th SW. Students, for today's class, take your notebook, your pencil, eraser, sharpener, that means your writing elements. We'll write the fill in the blanks. So let's start. Our question is, fill in the blanks to complete the words. Look, I have given 5 fill in the blanks here for part 1, and in our next parts, that means part 2 and part 3, you will get 10 more fill in the blanks. Now our first fill in the blank is W, gap, T, gap, H. Students, can you think a word with this? You have to put some letters in the gaps. So when you will fill the gaps, it will be a full word with a meaning. We'll try. W, gap, T, gap, H. It can be watch. Watch will be W, A, T, C, H. Watch. Spell with me. W, A, T, C, H. Watch. Students, spell with me one more time. W, A, T, C, H. Watch. So in the gap you have to write A and C. Now come to number 2. V, I, gap, L, gap, N. Can you think a word with this? And can you think what will be in the gap? Yes, I'm helping you. The word will be violin. Can you spell the word violin? Okay, spell with me. V, I, O, L, I, N. Violin. So the spelling is V, I, O, L, I, N. Violin. So in the gap you have to write O and I. Then the word will be violin. Now come to number 3. C, gap, O, gap. Can you think a word with this? Students, if you put 2 letters here, it will be a name of a bird. Can you think what will be the word? Okay, say with me. C, R, O, W. Crow. C, R, O, W. So this is crow, a name of a bird. Now again say with me. C, R, O, W. Crow. Now come to number 5. B, gap, gap, C, K. Students, this is a name of a color. So can you guess what will be the word? I hope you guessed the right word. It will be black. The spelling of black is B, L, A, C, K. Black. So again say with me. B, L, A, C, K. Black. Now come to number 5. S, gap, E, gap, P. This is a name of animal. So I hope you can understand what will be the word. Okay, now try with me. The word will be sheep. Spell the word S, H, here one E and you have to put here another E, then P. So the spelling will be S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Again say with me, S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Students, this 5 for part 1 and I am giving you the homework. Your homework will be fill in the blanks, that means FB part 1. Part 1. Your homework will be fill in the blanks part 1, that means this one 1 to 5. Watch, violin, crow, black, sheep. Again say with me, watch, violin, crow, black, sheep. For last time, say with me, W-A-T-C-H, watch, V-I-O-L-I-N, violin, C-R-O-W, crow, B-L-A-C-K, black, S-H-E-E-P, sheep. So these 5 will be your homework. Students, do your homework in your SW copy. You have to submit your SW copies because you will get your CT and SP marks on the basis of the submission of your homeworks. Guardians or anyone else can submit your copies on Sunday and can collect your copies on next Sunday. That's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.